Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making butter garlic chicken with potatoes and lots of herbs. For this recipe we'll need half a kilo of chicken thighs. There's no way I'm going to remove the fat. I'm going to keep the fat. It's going to lend a lot of flavor to my dish, so I'm going to keep it. You can trim it off if you want to. Chicken thighs we'll cut into strips. This way it cooks really fast. 2 to 3 minutes on high flame will be perfect. I'm using chicken thighs because it doesn't dry out very fast. You can use chicken breast too, that also cooks really fast, but sometimes it can get a bit dry. So this is the perfect way to ensure that your chicken is nice and juicy. I go for chicken thighs. Let's marinate our chicken. We'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, freshly cracked black pepper, salt to taste, a squeeze of lemon juice. Give this a good mix. Keep this aside while this is marinating. Let's parboil our potatoes. We need 8 small potatoes. I've peeled them off and I'm going to cut them into wedges and parboil it for around 8 minutes. So parboiling the potatoes will also speed up our cooking process. Use a less starchy potato so they keep intact while frying and boiling, so they don't lose their shape. Water is ready, it's boiling. Carefully add in the potatoes. Little bit of salt. Boil it for around 8 minutes. So we'll also need 2 shallots. This also we'll cut into wedges. And 4 garlic cloves. Fresh thyme leaves, few sprigs, or you can use dried herbs also. So 1 teaspoon of fresh herbs each. I have some fresh rosemary too. We'll also need 2 teaspoons of dried oregano leaves. It's been 8 minutes. Let's drain the potatoes and keep it aside. Heat a skillet on medium-high flame. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in the boiled potatoes along with a few sprigs of rosemary, a little bit of salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Fry the potatoes till they're nice and crispy and golden and brown and everything good. So around 6 to 8 minutes or until that perfect crispy golden brown. Don't move it around too much, otherwise the potato wedges will break. It's starting to brown a bit, so make sure you turn the potatoes and fry on all the sides. So our potatoes are nice and ready, golden and crispy. We'll take them off. So in the same skillet, we'll add in our rest of the butter, 2 tablespoons. And we'll add in our marinated chicken. Flame on high, give it a stir, and cook the chicken in butter for around 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken becomes nice and crispy and brown. It's been 6 minutes and our chicken is starting to get some color on it. So we'll keep cooking for another 2 minutes and then we'll add in our garlic and herbs. We'll add in our shallots. Give it a stir. So we don't want to cook the shallot too much. We're just going to soften it a bit. It adds a nice bite with your chicken. We'll add in our garlic. We add in our fresh herbs. Dried oregano. Give it a good mix. We'll throw in our fried potatoes. Give it all a good mix. Yum. All done, guys. Turn off the flame and it's ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet delicious recipe, and please let me know in the comments what you think about it. And please guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.